Ane, sorry. Hello everybody. How are you? And thank you so much for all the lovely things that you all have said about the last few things that I put on the tube. Sweet man. Sorry the pussy can't be here. I know you all commented about my white pussy, but white pussy cannot be here. I don't know where. He's gone. So he. Remember I used to have black pussy? Now the pussy is white. That's what happens. So you all have been telling me to make something, make a cake and all that. I can't cook. Anyway, I'm going to make a cake with the things that I have because at the moment we don't have many things. So with whatever I have and extras that I have, I am going to make a cake. Annie darling, see it, come. This is my... Hello, sweet. Hi fans. Already you're saying hi fans. Hello, how do you do now? You're on the top tick, no? Yeah.
That's TikTok.
TikTok.
You're from the old yeah, so you don't know.
You know, you have to be a bit careful because I have to throw you out. This is my great nephew, Nota. I call him Nota because he's a Nota boy. Very naughty. Aren't you? Just take that. I'm not very good with children. Right. So, very good. Drink it all, huh? Might get dehydrated or something. She has left him here, no? To babysit. We all live in one house, like 1 week, like communal rabbit hutch. And so sometimes I'm left with this one, no? Sweetheart, you are. He sometimes makes cakes with me. Now, here, hold this for me for a second. I have to put this on. What is the code on this? You don't have to put it on. I have told you all the time, it's very bad for your eyes, man. Your mother will scream at me. I'm very good with children, no? Eh? Right. So first we're making a chocolate cake. Huh?
No, vanilla.
No chocolate, man?
Vanilla.
No.
That's vanilla.
What do you mean? Where is the vanilla?
The
What have you done with the vanilla now?
vanilla.
Where? Ah, there it is.
How do you
Okay.
do all
I can't cope, man. I just with these things, I just don't know what to do with them. This right. So we are making a chocolate cake, but darling, you have to put vanilla in it.
Yeah, so it tastes like vanilla.
I'm not arguing with you right now. After the camera is off, I'll have a chat. I'm already sweating, no? Ouch! Ayyo. Right. Okay. Oh, yeah. Now what? What are you laughing at? I can't bend. Savitri, where are you? Huh? Come and take your child. Even Bertha is downstairs putting a fart nap. You know when you nap and you put a fart. And then upstairs Gladys is there. I don't know. She doesn't like to talk about farting. This, right. Now we are going to put... Oh, it's gone. This is your father's phone. 2 cups of flour. It says all-purpose. But we don't have all-purpose in this country, I don't think. So I am putting this self-raising. This should be okay, right? 2 cups. Here, darling, get me the 1 cup.
That's a one.
That's a half a cup.
No, that's a one.
No, that's a half a cup. That's a 3/4 cup.
That's a one.
That's the one. Bring the one. We're going to take a long time over this, I can see. Right. Are you going to pour it in?
No, you pour.
I'll pour it. Okay. Okay. Right. Now one. Oh, we need a sieve. Hold that there. Freeze. Don't move. We need to get a sieve. Ayyo. Sieve. Amita, come in there. Don't do it naughty. Okay, sieve. Right. I know, at least I know where the things are. Yes. The dog is also following me. Don't bite me. Get off me. Get off me. What are you doing? You just don't go. Oh, what is wrong with you? What is wrong? Here. Nice dog. Right. So that's 1 cup. Pour it in there, sweetheart. Pour in there. Unfreeze.
Yeah.
It's a game we play. Right. Other one. We need 2 cups. 2 cups. 2. Right. Okay.
You need one.
No, 2. Right there. Now put that in. Put that in. Right. Now hold my wrist. Hold. Now shake it. Look at that. Magic, no?
No.
The children.
You just wiggling it.
No, but see, it's all getting, all the lumps are going.
Well, you're lumpy.
What?
Yeah.
You know, I'm going to tell your mother and I'm going to give you a good kane one of these days. Huh? Yeah, Tamai. Yes, I will never kane him. He's a sweet boy. No? Right. Now we put one of these.
Auntie Netta, stop!
Put it in. I hope we have another
Can
thing
I
of sugar.
eat?
No, not yet. I think I've done it wrong, man. Are we supposed to put it all together like this? No, we are not. Ayyo, can't believe we are supposed to put the sugar into a different one. Wait, let's hope we can do this.
No, you cannot.
Oh God.
That's how you put the flour.
I don't
flour.
This is not how you make a cake.
The
Huh?
flour.
Oh God, this is gross.
The
Right.
flour. The
Okay.
flour. The sugar.
Right. I'm sure this is wrong. Did we read the instructions? Let's see. Okay. Wait. Okay. Add flour. Add flour and sugar. Put it back. Put it back. Here, you put it back in here. Don't. How many sugars have you put? Only one. No. Put. No. Put. Pour the bloody thing, man. Pour. No. Not spoon. No. I can't take it. Here. This is what I want you to do. There. Ayyo, right, yes, you spilled it. Don't worry, it's okay. Right, now we need to put cocoa powder. How much cocoa powder? 3
Wait,
quarters.
no, we didn't do 2
we
sugars.
didn't do the sugars. We didn't do all the sugars. Or how many sugars have we done? 1 sugar. We do another one. I want you to hold this and I want you to pour this into the 3/4 cup.
No, you pour it.
No, you pour it.
No.
Why, man? I want to just relax a bit.
No.
Sweat is dripping down to my toes.
On vegetables.
I don't know who your mother is. What a cup, right? I don't know.
is your nephew too.
No, your mother is my niece. You are my grandnephew. Yes.
You have to pour it in a different bowl.
No, just put it in here. There. Nicely, don't make a bloody mess. Now hold my wrist. Right. Now
not
shake,
magic.
shake, 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 shake your booty. That one you know, no? That's all. What is it? Shake, 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 shake. When you were a baby, I remember your mother used to sing that. Shake your booty. Huh? Camera is off. Right. Oh dear, I didn't mean to cough in the. There's nothing wrong with me. Right. No, not yet. There's nothing wet in there yet.
Oh.
Right. Now what do?
We
Put
need
the
some wet
sugars.
stuff.
Baking soda. Baking. No, not yet. Not
You
yet.
said when?
Yeah, not yet, man.
Give me the baking
Right.
soda.
Baking soda. Can you open that? How much
Wait,
are the
what?
baking soda? Have you sit?
You don't need it. You don't need that.
I don't know whether you can see the sweat. I also like to tell you, I want to tell you earlier that I have put the coral lipstick.
Yeah, we don't need to talk about that when making cake. Okay? We're not doing fashion.
Right, here 1 teaspoon, put it in. We don't have an actual teaspoon. We are using just a teaspoon.
Stop it!
I have told you time and time again not to keep laughing in the shot. Stir.
You still like the olden day auntie.
Yeah, I do have a golden day auntie now. So that I'm going to go and get the kettle.
No, you're just gonna rest.
No, I'm getting the kettle. We need some hot water.
No, you're gonna rest.
Now that dog. Hey, why are you coming with me? No.
Run!
No. Get off me. Get off. Don't.
Help! I need to help my auntie.
Yeah, get off, auntie.
Okay.
This is another. Whoever suggested that I make a cake with a child and a dog. Okay. Calm down, Scratchy. Right. Oh, what a beautiful stir. You have done this beautifully. Come and look, everybody, at how lovely the Nota boy has done this.
I'm not a Nota.
No, that's your nickname.
Oh my.
Add milk, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla.
We don't have milk.
We have milk.
Oh, okay. You still.
Ane, thank you. It's there.
Coffee.
Yeah. Don't bite his bottom. Here, the milk is on the counter.
Oh.
Not going to. Who suggested this, huh? Who suggested this? Because it's a really bad idea. You haven't even put the cake in the oven and I have to put... very good. Right. Okay. So now we have to put 1 cup milk. Right.
Mix.
Then...
Mix.
No. Wait. Then we have to put coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil on it.
And then 1 cup?
No, how much coconut oil? Half a cup. Get that half a cup.
Half. What?
Yeah, half a cup.
I'm mad.
Oops. Coconut there. Put that in.
Oh, that looks good.
That looks yummy. Then I'm going to put,
Okay.
instead of the vegetable oil, instead of the vegetable oil, I'm putting vegetable oil. No, what is it? Instead of vegetable oil, I'm putting the
No.
coconut oil.
No, we did the coconut oil. Thanks.
2 teaspoons.
2.
Give this.
No,
Put
I'll
it.
hold it.
You hold it. You can put this, no problem.
I'm scared.
Why?
I'm not a baba.
Oh God, sorry. Children these days, no?
Seven-year-old.
Yes.
Oh, it's gonna taste so nice.
Yes. What happens next? You have to. My God, so hot, man. I can't breathe. This one is allergic to eggs, right? So we have got this egg replacer here. Okay. Now what we do is
Put some water.
we have a powder.
Not
Right.
sponsoring egg replacer.
Not sponsored. You can't. I don't know whether you can get
Not
this.
sponsoring.
His mother gave this to me. Now we don't have a tablespoon, so this is a table spoon. So we are going to put. How many things do we have to put? Where are the glasses?
You.
1.5 teaspoons of egg replacer plus 2 tablespoons of warm water is 1 egg. So we have to put 4. We have to stir this
Oh, that smells
like
nice.
this. See? So it's like looks a little bit like.
You're not even showing
What does this look like?
Vomit.
So that it looks a little bit. It actually does look a little bit like vomit.
No one can see what I'm doing because I'm just a kid.
Nice, you get it together, get all the lumps out.
There's no lumps in here.
Not in that man, I'm talking to myself. Right.
Ow!
Was it hot? Oh, no, sorry, darling. What is wrong with you? You're having a heart attack? Ayo. I don't.
Laugh at that.
What is wrong with everybody? Right,
Can
here.
I taste some?
Watch this. This is how you get air bubbles in. Na? This much I remember my mother making like this. Nicely lift it, get the air bubbles. Nicely lift and get the air bubbles. Don't touch it! Now don't touch the cake while I'm gone. Don't touch the cake while I'm...
Okay, okay.
I'm going to put the oven on. We don't have a proper oven. Why are you coming again? Did you touch it? Did you lick it? Did you put your finger in there?
No. No.
It says you have to mix it with a mixer.
Stop that.
So, open your mouth, let me see. I can see chocolate in your mouth, huh?
I just took a tomato.
You done it. That's okay, darling patio. Okay, right. I'm going to use this. Does this work?
Yeah.
The plug is not in. Don't put the plug. Your mother is sleeping. Right. Wait. Get off. Touch it. Ayo. What a bit of a shock. Okay.
Can I taste some?
Yeah, taste and see.
Hello.
Just don't tell your mother or Bertha or Gladys. They won't eat it. No? Okay. Right. Let me also taste some. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Maybe we should just eat it raw. So now we close this. Hey! What are you doing? Now we put this in here. I don't have a proper cake treatment. I don't know what this is. It's like a curly-whirly cake.
Can I have this?
No,
Why?
no, after. Always children can do this after.
Wait.
Nara!
Wait. I'm trying to stop.
Right, hold on.
It's not my fault. It's your fault.
Right. Okay. Oh.
Thank you.
I don't think this cake tin is a bit small for this cake. No? No? What do you think? It's not even filling it.
Thanks. I'm gonna wash my hands. These aren't
Yeah.
clean.
Okay, go.
Bye, friends.
Bye. Okay. I'll let him lick the bowl. No,
I'm
see.
selling on the way. I'm selling. Who's that guy selling?
Here, sweetie. You want to lick the bowl?
Yeah. Wait, I just washed my hands.
That's a very nice way of wiping your face. Your father has taught you well.
Did you?
No.
Ah!
Right.
You missed the spot.
Oh my God! Why are you speaking? Right. We are going to put it in the oven.
Put it.
It doesn't look very like it's going to rise. Anyway. Bertha, what are you touching our cake for? Huh? Who let you come and touch our cake?
It's finished.
It's finished. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
This is why I don't have any kind of sanity in this house, because everybody is everywhere. Even when I'm having a bath, the dog and the child have come in. Let's see if it's ready.
Nope.
Oh, it looks quite. Is it ready?
Oh,
I'm going to try and do this.
sorry.
Ouch! It's very hot.
Oh,
Together,
No,
can
say-
you move? Darling, you have to move
no,
from here
no.
because this is hot.
Broncos kidnapping me, Auntie. Auntie,
Oh.
Broncos kidnapping me.
I think I broke the cake.
Mama, Broncos kidnapping me.
Oh my goodness, it's almost ready. Okay, here we have made the cake. Now I'm going to put a napkin.